Hey, this is Sherry with ATL Clinical Workshop, and today I want to give you 3 easy steps to be able to decide which Airway Nanda you're going to use. We have 3 dealing with Airway. You have ineffective airway clearance, impaired gas exchange, and ineffective breathing pattern. So what's the easiest way for you to figure out which one should I choose? That's so simple, and I'm so excited to be able to tell you this because I hope this is going to make light bulbs go off for you. Ineffective airway clearance, you want to think about them coughing up mucus, okay? So when you're assigned respiratory management, guess what you're doing? You're helping them to clear their secretions. So anytime you got respiratory management, kind of lean towards ineffective airway clearance. If you're looking at impaired gas exchange, well, what's gas? Oxygen, right? Oxygen's a gas. So if you have oxygen management, you have gas management. So you're going to use impaired gas exchange more often when you see oxygen management. Now for the breathing pattern. Breathing pattern simply means they're breathing too fast or too slow or shallow or way too deep. You know, they've got some sort of rhythmic problem with their breathing. That could go for either one, impaired gas exchange or oxygen management or respiratory management. You just have to decide which one's going to be the stronger. Now, in my head, the way that I think about it is, if I clear the airway and get rid of that mucus, won't that help their oxygen levels go up? I think so. And could that help their fast breathing slow down because we cleared their airway? I think so. So my favorite is, ineffective airway clearance. You're going to hear me go there all the time because I feel like it's going to fix more than one problem. It doesn't make the gas exchange or breathing pattern wrong though. You just have to know the right time to apply it. So if they've got an oxygen saturation problem, then that's impaired gas exchange. If they have too fast, too slow, or irregularity with their breathing, it's ineffective breathing pattern. And then if they've got mucus, immediately think airway clearance, okay? So that's how you're gonna decide which one of the 3 you're gonna use. So you pick which one's your favorite. Check out our website, www.atlclinicalworkshop.com.